As a barber for over 30 years, there is no other clipper that I prefer to use since the beginning of my barbering career than a Wahl. And so Wahl sent me this as a gift to try out. And today we're going to try this clipper out on a haircut. And I'm really excited. I know that this is a much lighter weight cordless clipper. I appreciate that. Corded clippers, as you know, are heavy, but they usually have better motors. So I want to put this to the test and see if the motor quality is just as good on this cordless clipper. So this type of clipper, of course, is great for blending and fading, and that is what we are going to do today. So let's get this unboxed, see what's inside.
I love sliding out a new clipper. Looks nice, and it is definitely very lightweight, even more lightweight than some of the other cordless clippers I have used. Let's see if it comes out of the box with any charge. Nice. My other cordless clipper is incredibly loud. This one is just as loud as my plug-in Wahl clipper, so I like that. The noise factor is a big deal to me. The adjustable arm is plastic. Keep that in mind, it's not metal. All of this is plastic, and of course that attributes to how lightweight it is. The cutting blade, of course, is metal. So it comes with guards. If you need guards, let's check these out. I'm just gonna pull out one. We all know what guards look like. Okay, so this is the type of clip that it has. This is a number 3 here. And we're just going to line this up, snap it on. Did I open the... We want to make sure our blade is closed first. Perfect. So now we have our number 3 on here, and you can open and adjust easily with that. As with all clippers, it comes with oil, a cleaning brush. Cool. Let's see, do we have some, a fading type of a blade down in here. They color code these two, white and gray, to stand out from the black regular guards. Very cool. And lastly in here, very cool, they give you one of these cutting combs. This is not my favorite type of comb. I've used these. I prefer a flat top comb. That's just my preference. And the paperwork. For sound comparison, I want to turn on my traditional Andes clippers that I have used for years. When it's closed, it has a louder hum, and open almost nothing. And of course, everything is metal, and it is a heavier clipper. This is my preferred comb, but that has nothing to do with the clipper. I want to do a side-by-side noise comparison. And like always, the cordless clippers are definitely louder, but this one is not that bad compared to a lot of other cordless clippers. And then of course we do have the Wahl name behind it. So let's see how she cuts. Before we begin, you want to oil up your new clippers always. Got a few drops here on the blade. Okay, we're ready to start.